How can I connect a generator to my home's electrical system?
Hello, DIY enthusiasts. In today's video, we're going to walk through the process of connecting a generator to your home's electrical system. This can be a great way to ensure your home still has power during an outage, but it's vital to do it safely and correctly to prevent any damage or safety risks.
Why connect a generator to your home?
Whether it's due to bad weather, electrical work, or other unforeseen circumstances, power outages can happen at any time. Having a backup generator ready and connected to your home's electrical system can make these outages a little less inconvenient, ensuring essential systems in your home, like heating or cooling, refrigeration, and lighting, stay functional.
What kind of generator do I need?
Before you begin, it's important to understand that not all generators are created equal. Depending on the size of your home and the number of appliances you need to power, you'll need a generator of an appropriate size. Whole house generators can power a larger number of appliances, while smaller, portable generators might only handle a few. It's crucial to calculate your power needs beforehand.
What are the safety precautions?
Connecting a generator to your home's electrical system can be dangerous if not done properly. You should never plug a generator directly into a wall outlet, a practice known as backfeeding, as it can lead to electrical fires or electrocution. Always use a transfer switch. It's also important to ensure your generator is properly ventilated to prevent carbon monoxide poisoning.
How to connect a generator to your home's electrical system?
Connecting a generator to your home's electrical system involves several key steps. 1. Install a transfer switch. The transfer switch is connected to the circuit panel and allows you to easily switch power sources from the grid to your generator. It's important to hire a licensed electrician for this installation. 2. Connect the generator. Once your transfer switch is installed, you can connect your generator. Make sure the generator is off before connecting it to the transfer switch using the appropriate power cord. 3. Test the system. After everything is connected, you'll want to test the system to make sure everything works correctly. Turn your generator on, then use the transfer switch to switch the power source from the grid to the generator. Remember, safety comes first. If you are not comfortable with any of these steps, please hire a professional to help. And there you have it. Now you know the steps to connect a generator to your home's electrical system. Remember to always prioritize safety when dealing with electricity. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful home DIY guides. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this information helpful.